Khasi Disability Association on Monday, the 9th of August 2021, had released one ambulance which is dedicated to persons with special needs, which had been sanctioned through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund 2019-2020. Speaking to the media, the president of the association, STARWIN KHARJANA, appreciated the efforts of the Khasi Disability Association's General Secretary, THONGNI, who has always supported the members of the association in every possible way, at times even shelling out money from his own pocket to see to the welfare of the differently abled community, not only in the Khasi Hills but West Khasi Hills as well. STARWIN KHARJANA also lauded the efforts made by THONGNI towards approaching the government for financial help with regards to the funding of the ambulance that would help ferry patients for treatment to health institutions across the state.
Na kabaning kong nga ay kublay iba Michael Thongni iba day General Secretary jong ka Khasi Disability Association iba la peniyo ay kane ka ambulan hangi kibri juduna dokatman lengba ka jing tre sitom jong te kumbala depan pa menta ba nakaliang jong ru juirap sibun ya kaseng ha ka biaday bat kibri juduna dokan met ban kershan naka ka baka jingmi jong naka tulop jong ban kershan yaki yak ha ka biade bat jing petelun ya kibri juduna dokan met naka por te kumju ru nga ai khuble namar ba ila peniyo ya kane ka ambulan nakbenta kibri juduna dokan met bakan persuk ya kali kawan ha ba inlet ban sumar kino ki hospital te lingba kane kan long kajing mentoy yangi barok kibri juduna dokan met ako kane ka jela te nga ai khuble ru ya iba Michael namar ba dailing ba jong ba kajing kershan jong ba kibri juduna dokan met hapa West Khasi Hill District ru kiyo sibun kijing mentoy ha ka bidai ba kijing bahakam ha bidai bat ki baibam te lingba jong kamut ilala ru ban penia ya ka West Khasi Hill ban seng ya ka office jong kibri juduna dokan met dakaba sei na plala jong ban pentelun ya kam hapo West Khasi Hill bat kum juru hapo kajelahi barok kawai te na kaliang jonga ngakitbok ya ba Michael ba nangla susu ban trei hakibede bat kani kam ka bai sakri na kamenta ka imlang salang na kamenta jongi kibri juduna kan le te bat ki weiru kibri ki badon kam haka imlang salang ngit kam baka ka mati jongi ke bai la trei na kamenta jongi ngin pertoi bat ai baka ne ka jing trei sitom jong pi baka pertai kan yo ba nyidon kam sisa ya pi na kapor bat kindan hakti hakjat na kamenta jongi bat kin ai buit bat kin yarap yangi kanang bangiru ngin singan ha kabaya day bat kino kijing kimaya kandu ha kibede bat sarkar ha kibede bat imlang salang punta ngis kam ba jing itri lang jongi kanlong ka job ha kilang baro.
The General Secretary of the Khasi Disability Association, THONGNI, informed that as a member of the association, he had witnessed its members of having to go through a lot of challenges while approaching various government departments for work, which is their right according to the Persons with Disability Act 2016. THONGNI also expressed his gratitude to the president of the association, STARWIN KHARJANA, for his selfless act of taking care of persons with special needs. He added that his gratitude also goes out to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, for having granted financial aid through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund 2019-20 towards the purchase of the ambulance that would serve the medical needs of persons with disability.
Kadai ka ambulance ia ka ba ngalatre sitam ban peniyo kenang namenta ka seng namar kadai ka seng ka ba ngajuit ka ba ngajuarap nakapor sya kapor habang arung sya ka banyarap kum udukot ngayu yabun ba kijing duna namar kimdon kanu ka jingyo na kino ki department lane nano kino ki breu ki bakwa banyarap mon sobhaya ka ban peniat ki kam jong ka office tiba STARWIN hi marway ilale rangba ya kane kam dakaba isay ya katulop lajong lane ya kita kijing kamay jong lade ban pentelun ya kane ka kam hapo kajelahi borok kawai te kumba PUE gibria badan jingduna ki department borok sikata kidon hapadeng kajing janjar babun ba kiliang namar hakini kipor baladep la jui ba Khasi Disability Association kaya mi syakmat bandawa ya kajing bahakam bahajam kata ka 100% reservation katkum kajing don jongka hapo ka right to person with disabilities act 2016 te nga ai kajing sungu ya chief minister Konrad Sangma ya ka ba ula simkhia bha bat ular penlong ru ya kata ka policy jongka thungkam thungjam na menta ki bre badan jong khamet hapo kanekaan ya ka badang 2000 bat kumju ru kaneka ambulance ka ba PUE menta ka sngi nga ai ngu ya i nga songu ya i namar ba ilas ngap ya ka jing kapat ka jonga banirap lem ya ka seng Khasi Disabilities Association bar ila penyo ru ya kanekali lamba ka scheme ka jong u ka chief minister special development fund jong usnam ahazar khandai hadakat khandai bat arpau te kane ka jing yo jong ka seng ya ka ambulance kanlong ka jing rap ka bakraw sikata sikat dai namar ba ki bre badon jing na ka met ki juyo pang kloi lane ki jukam kha ya ka jing pang te menta kum ka seng uba STARWIN ujupan pau yang ki jing balada ukwa ban phun ambulance lane ban wai ambulance njudan pisah po ka seng bat ki bre badon jing ka met pi jutip hi baki wan bek barabor na ki long ying long sem ki baduk ya ka baki kmi pa kimla ban kershan than lane ban ai than kata ka jingerap yaki bakinla ban penyat ya laki kam jong ki man lakasni te menta lamba ka ambulance pade kim don kam shu ban wai lane ban khot yaki ambulance ki bade jong ki we ki group lane jong ki we ki hospitals kilala pan kam no dakani bat ngait scam ba ubrio badan jing khamet ne ki brio badan khamet kinyo ka jing mantoy na ka scheme ka ba panyo na ka special scheme ka ba ai dong chief minister